Just another day in the life of linemen.
Holy.
The water utility workers just wanted to do their job and go home. But instead, they ended up giving the electrician some extra work. An excavator accidentally caught a high-voltage cable with its bucket, leading to a dangerous situation. The electricity tried to ground itself, heating up the excavator. The expansion of air in the tires from the heating caused one of the wheels to explode dramatically. Nope, it's not a sewer fire. There's a power cabinet embedded in the floor to distribute electricity, but a short circuit caused a fire. As the person who recorded the video said, the heat was incredibly strong, so they didn't risk going near it.
The heat coming off that is intense.
I hope he had time to close his eyes. Lightning strikes in winter are rare, but there's always a chance of them happening. If the wires start sounding like a popcorn machine, it's time to get more alarmed than the people in this video. This footage was captured at a subway station in Japan. The malfunction made the station look more like a fireworks festival. Seeing lightning like this is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. The person who shot this video was traveling with his family on a cruise ship. While anchoring in port, he decided to make a video. And this was the result.
Holy
Сейчас. Браво.
If a contact wire snaps on an electric train, the train becomes a giant conductor that you really don't want to touch, especially if you're inside.
No.
On this particular day, New Yorkers probably felt like they were in the middle of a movie where the city is under attack by some supernatural force. It's hard to think of anything else when you see blue flames shooting out in the middle of the night. But the only real threat that day was an accident at an electrical substation.
That wire. Yep.
Dashcam footage captured the moment an oversized truck connected with a guide wire on Route 61 in Onalani Township. The impact toppled roughly half a dozen electric poles, causing sparks to fly.
In 200 meters, turn left onto West Green. In 200 meters, turn left onto West Green.
It doesn't always take an entire tree falling to bring down a power line. Sometimes, just a single branch is enough to cause a disruption.
Yes.
Just like fire and water, we could watch this forever.
That's a good one.
that curl or
That one, that's getting in
what do
there.
they call it?
That's burning it.
I said there's two things I do every day. What is it? Check the dog. And what else?
That's why it's always a good idea to have a pair of dielectric gloves handy.
I didn't know if that was going to go out.
От і все.
Твою мать, нихера!
В таком доме в высоком. Ох ты, ничего себе.
Кабель перекопал.
Да, копнул.
Да как копнул.
Yeah! So
Nobody wants to see something like this out the window during a flight. If you spot sparks on a power line, it's definitely time to make a run for it.
Bangue. Putain, quoi. Wow.
The cameraman didn't have the best luck with their parking spot. After receiving this massive jolt of electric current, this tree certainly won't need photosynthesis anymore. This trolley bus caused quite a stir among local residents with its appearance. All because the vehicle's current collector had detached from the wires. Dielectric gloves are an essential part of an electrician's equipment. Even a small defect in these gloves can be life-threatening. They not only protect from electrical shocks, but also from burns that can occur during arcing.
We are hot now?
Yeah, hot.
That's what happens to balloons when they get caught in wires.
Circuits across the conductors. It's the same type of short circuit that you'll actually see on an overhead power line.
Good job, balloon people!
Due to road repair mistakes, residents of a Brazilian city witnessed electrical grounding. Literally. In Canada, power lines are inspected using drones to induce a ground fault safely. In China, they test power lines a bit differently. Instead of drones, they use a special gun that shoots an electricity conductive projectile to cause a short circuit. But don't worry, it's just a dummy.
Like you said, though, they're interesting.
In this video, the tree made contact with the wires, but the outcome wasn't just some burned wood. The impact caused a fuse to blow. And ultimately, The whole neighborhood was plunged into darkness.
Yeah, it's not even raining that hard. No.
This is what happens when natural and man-made electricity collide.
Yeah, it was right there. We got it on video.
You might have seen a Tesla coil used to create music, but here we have an entire orchestra. The principle behind this device is quite simple. When the ball flies past the electrode, a highly intense electric field is generated at a small distance with an enormous voltage. Since the speed of the electrons is much higher than that of the ball, their movement doesn't interfere with the arc ignition at all.
You red.
This is what an arc with an intensity of up to 20,000 amps looks like.
Bank is de-energized. Control panel's off.
Check out this cable burn down. The process can damage or destroy the insulation and conductors inside the cable due to overheating, like when it's overloaded or not connected properly. They say you can't catch lightning in a bottle, but can you do something similar? Just grab a dielectric material like plexiglass and create a discharge on it. The cool pattern you get is called a Lichtenberg figure. If you think this Tesla coil looks big, you're not wrong. This is the largest coil in the world, located in New Zealand. The gigantic monument, called Electrum, has 4 floors and stands over 11 meters tall.
Holy shit. Don't look at it. It's just going crazy.
That concrete pump hit the wires hard. Now, houses built with this concrete won't need any electricity. It looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie that could open a portal to another dimension, but it's actually just a school project. A power line operator decided to record his typical workday with a camera.
That's the electricity running up the flames. That's cool. I'm doing video, yes sir.
This happens more frequently than trolley buses in winter. The issue is ice forming on the wires, which prevents electricity from reaching the current collector.
That's how much juice is going through there.
Oh, man. That's gonna take a while. That's gonna take a while.
Just take an axe and slap the bottom and cut the wire off.
Yeah.
You go ahead.
You're about to see a 600-volt short circuit.
Adam? Are you religious?
Something's